How to improve Android camera quality. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to adjust camera settings. Most Android phones comes with built-in camera settings that you can tweak to get the best possible image quality. Here's how you can do it. Launch Camera app on a device. Now tap on the settings icon at top right corner of the screen, usually a gear icon. And from here you simply need to adjust the following. For that you can go ahead and select advanced settings as well and toggle both the button on for flip camera or flip selfie and quick steer and edit. After that, here you will see the option of video resolution. Go ahead and select that. And here you need to set the highest resolution available to capture the best quality photos. If there is the option for SDR, you need to make sure to turn on SDR for better lighting and contrast in your photos. You need to enable grid lines to help with composition and alignment if the options are available. And once you do that, you need to check whether your Android's camera quality has been improved or not. If not, you need to simply adjust the stutter sound as well. Make sure to toggle the button on. And if you wish to display location information in photos, toggle the button on as well. Here you can open the watermark. If you would like to turn on watermark, toggle the button on. Go ahead and open the composition. And under grid and guides, select photo and here you can choose the grid, diagonal lines or golden spiral as well. For videos too, you can select grid option. If you wish to display visual aids to get straight and level photos or videos, toggle the button on. Once you do that, you need to make sure that you clean your camera lens. You can use a microfiber cloth to wipe off any dirt, smudges, or fingerprints. This ensures your photos are crisp and clear. And after that, you need to ensure that your phone's camera software and Android operating system are up to date. Manufacturers often release updates that improve camera performance and image processing. By following this all the steps, you can improve Android camera quality. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.